I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them.
What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? This is Aman from Tech Unwind 9, and today I have a new video for you guys. For those of you that drop your AirPods a lot, okay? Or even once in a while, you need to protect these, okay? Look at what I did to mine. These are brand new AirPod Pro 2 2nd gen, and I got a dent on them already. Got a couple scratches here from one drop, okay? And these were clean. Look, there's another dent over here. I mean, it's minimum, but still, the AirPod case opened up and these flew all over the place and I had to go find them. They fell out of my car basically. So, you know, that is something you have to keep an eye on if you don't have a case. I usually don't have a case, and look at these. They're all scratched up. Well, from keys. Can you guys see that? So, I'm going to show you a case that protects these AirPods. And this is the case. Check it out. I've got the Spigen case for the AirPods Pro 2 2nd gen. And by the way, guys, this one is MagSafe compatible as far as what they say. We're going to check it out in the video down the line. Let's unbox this, okay? Here we go. So here is a little tab. Boom. Get this open. And if you guys want and like this case, you can get it from Amazon for 23 bucks. Amazon has a sale going on right now, 15% off. So you can pick it up from Amazon. Okay, that's where I got it for 23 bucks. I feel like 23 bucks is a little bit expensive, but you know what? You need to protect these because these are expensive. Okay, these AirPods are very expensive. Let's take a look. What do we have here? I have no clue what this thing is right here. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. Okay. Extra tape included. I don't know what this is for exactly, but whatever. All right. It comes with this hook. That's really nice. Sturdy. I like it. It's got a Spigen symbol on top of it. It's kind of like a metallic black. All right. Almost like a gunmetal gray. If you can, a little bit darker than gunmetal gray. All right. So that's the case. Lanyard right there. Slash hook. Okay. Pretty simple. Okay. I do like that this is a dark color. Let's put this on and take a look. Where does it go? Like this? I believe it goes like this. Okay, this is probably the front. No, this is the back. Okay, so this is how it probably goes. Okay, that's the top. Yeah, that's why it goes. I'm gonna take the tape off in a second. I just want to make sure it's good. Okay, and this is the front. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. Wow. Okay. This is pretty nice, I gotta say, guys. I'm liking this. This is not too much bulk. I mean, it is definitely a lot bigger than before, but I don't feel like for me it's that much bigger. Check out the color, guys. How nice is this black? All right, so it's already coming off. You can see it's coming off. So I'm gonna have to put that tape on. Okay, let's try with the tape on. I'm gonna take this one off. It's like an adhesive on the inside. We're gonna put that on and it should stick to it. That's right on top. The adhesive is right on top, so I'm gonna push down a little bit. There we go. Okay. Okay, so it does have the place for you to hook up the lanyard if you want, or you can hook this metal carabiner on there. Okay, and you can use it on your bike, your backpack, or whatever you like, and it's stuck. It's actually stuck to it. It's not coming off anymore. That's nice. Okay, I really like the tape on top. That's really helpful. Also, you can see the Spigen branding right here. That I really like. I like the Spigen branding. It's really cool. There is your charging port. You got your speaker grills. Okay, that's nice. I like that. And you also have the little button on the back. All right, that's kind of hard to get to, but you know, that's a rare thing to use, so it shouldn't be too bad. And look, guys, you can see the little lighting in there. How pretty is this? I like this case a lot. Oh wow. You know what would have been cool if I had that color for this. That'd be really cool. Hey guys, Spigen, if you can make that camo, the PS5 camo for this, that'd be really cool too. But I'm liking this. I'm really liking this black. Man, I just dropped the panda. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this? If you guys do, definitely like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. I really would appreciate that. Let's check to see if it actually charges from the MagSafe, okay? It should. Okay, MagSafe is a go. It's working, guys. It plugs on, it's good to go. All right, it's definitely not as strong as when you have it without it, but it's good enough, okay? It's working. All right, there you go, MagSafe compatible. So guys, it has a really nice design. It's got a little bit of this texture that you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a really nice texture, okay? The sides have a different design, okay? The top has no design, all right? And then the bottom has no design. It's got the openings on the bottom, okay? For the charging port and your speaker grill, okay? And then the back has a shiny, same, you know, lines going through it. And then you got the button on the back, okay? Really nice. It's got the open in the back. All right, that has to be the way it is because it opens like this, and you can see there's no way for them to actually make that happen. So it's open on the back, but it's got enough of a lip where if you drop it, it's protected. All right, this is gonna protect AirPods if you're a person that needs protection, okay? This is a must for somebody that goes to the gym and just drops their stuff all over the place, or just the person that drops and is clumsy. And even if you drop it once in a while, it's great to have, okay? Look at this case. Black case always looks nice on AirPods because we've had AirPods in white for so long, so this gives it a little different look, okay? I like it. What do you guys think? If you guys like this, definitely like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. If you guys would like for me to review something different, leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you don't like something about this video, let me know for sure, all right? I hope you guys liked. Peace out.